In the world of supply chain, with the growing need for e-commerce, what do customer satisfaction, employee well-being, and maximized productivity all have in common? They each require a modern, efficient distribution center, but it's not that simple. Customer expectations grow, business grows, and we feel the need to move faster with less space and more reliable technology. DMWH has the solution. We work together to design the flow of merchandise through your distribution center, maximizing its speed, quality, use of space, and your visibility into the operations. All this happens because of a combination of game-changing technologies and our innovative warehouse control system, Shiraz. Over a half-century of experience has shown us time and again that addressing the limitations of a company's processes also opens a world of new solutions. We're more than an integrator. By uniquely combining warehouse automation, agnostic equipment, and advanced technology with our Shiraz warehouse software, we are able to exceed our customers' expectations. We're a flexible partner who understands your business, not just the warehouse, but distribution as a holistic path to success. If you're ready to explore that path to success, the next step is simple. Give DMWH a call today.